Today I'm taking a look at the TBTeek butane fuel. So this is well labeled, and it does say that this is 180 milliliters. And it does come with extra adapters, so you can use this with different styles of torches. And you want to do this with the torch and the fuel upside down. So this is showing the butane level. So I'm just going to let this sit for about 3 minutes. If you want to be real careful, you can let it sit for about 10. That's going to let the butane settle so we can start using it. It does say if you get a weird yellow flame like that, the best thing to do is just release gas from the torch. Because it is overpressurized, let it sit for 10 minutes and then try it again. And there we go. So we can increase that flame and we can decrease that flame. So we can make that as nice as we want it. So butane is pretty cool. Butane burns at about 2600 degrees, which is about 1000 degrees less than MAP gas, but you can use MAP gas to get steel red hot. 2600 degrees is nothing to sneeze at. So no sputtering, we just had a nice clean line. So that is some high quality butane.